Hello, welcome back. You guys did it. You made it through your first unit. Great job. We are going to be in Unit 2, Session 1 this week. We are starting our unit on studying characters in stories. So you will see up here in the updates your folder, the link to your folder. You can either access it this way or you can access it by coming over to Materials Fall Semester. You're not going to access it from over here where you see your list of assignments. Because you're going to miss out on all the pages inside the folder. You can come down here to Ruthless Literary Analysis. You are going to be analyzing characters. So just a little introduction. The thing that is important about this unit is that you are going to be really just diving into analyzing characters and figuring out what motivates characters, how they're developed, all of that stuff. So we're going to be starting out this week just kind of talking about why do we study characters and how do we analyze them, and what types of characters there are as well. So one thing I do want to point out to you, each week, I don't know if you guys do this yet or not, but each week you should look at the suggested pacing schedule, even if you decide not to follow it, just so that you get your mind wrapped around what's going on this week. One thing that you'll notice is different is JVA, or JEFCO, I guess I should say, full-time and part-time students, you will be map testing on Tuesday at 12 o'clock. Excuse me. So if you're a Southwest E-School or Dolores student, you will not be testing with us, but all JEFCO students taking this class will be map testing 12 o'clock on Tuesday. You will be receiving directions from Mrs. Neville for it. If for some reason by the end of the day, Monday, you haven't gotten those, please let me know. I will reach out to Mrs. Neville. We'll get it figured out. You'll notice I didn't assign anything else on Tuesday in the pacing schedule. If you want to do more ELA after that, great. If not, just focus on your map test. It does take about an hour, so there's no need to do anything else in ELA that day unless you really want to. That's all I have for you. I hope you guys have a great week.